Hey everyone, it's Tom with TK Designs. I wanted to take the opportunity to wish you and yours a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And for those that don't celebrate Christmas, a Happy Holidays to you. Wanted to take an opportunity here to first off thank all of my subscribers over the course of this year. You've really made the channel happen for me. I've picked up over 2,000 subscribers for the year now. And in October, the channel became monetized. So now when you watch my videos, I make enough to make about a cup of coffee every month. But I'll take it because I never expected to get this far with the channel, to be honest with you. Things that are coming up in the near future, I am going to do a couple of projects, one before the new year and one after the new year. And I plan on doing a giveaway to thank my subscribers that have kept with me through the last 3 years of this channel's existence. That being said, the competition or the giveaway will be open to subscribers and non-subscribers. Hopefully it will be subscribers that will mostly watch the video that will be associated with that and will ask to be considered for winning the prize. More about that when we get to that in the next couple of weeks. Where the channel's going. I have been starting to include some laser business that I've been doing and laser tutorials since I've expanded my business to include laser engraving. I'm going to keep putting content like that in there. You don't have to watch it if you're not a fan of laser stuff and are more into the CNC side of the things that we do at the channel. That will still be the predominant focus of the channel. So again, thank you all for watching over the course of the year. I'm very happy that you've managed to take my channel to a place I never thought it would go. And with that, I'll sign off and we'll see you soon.